Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing great. I am doing well. My name is Thris. Welcome. Today we are doing a mystery unboxing. This is from Cassie at Niche Crafts here on the YouTubes. So I ordered her large mystery box. I ordered it on the 9th. It shipped on the 12th, and it is now January 17th. The large mystery box is $70, and I paid just a little under $13 for shipping. Trying to remember all the details. She does have small mystery boxes. She also has stitch marker mystery boxes. She hand dyes yarn. I am particularly in love with the one named Sloth, not only because it's a sloth and that's an inside joke in my family, but the colorway is really pretty. It's blue and gray, so I'm hoping to get my hands on that one of these days. But okay, I don't remember if there is a like weight requirement or a number thing that she does for the boxes, because like, you know, some will do like 3 pounds of yarn, or some will do, you know, 10 balls of yarn or whatever. I'm not sure what it is for these. So but yeah, she has a small one and a large one, and I got the large one. And when I bought this, she did have a coupon going on in the shop. I don't know if that coupon is still going on. I'm going to leave her Etsy in the description box below. So, let's do this. I am excited. It came tissue. Alright. So there is a thank you card. I'm a hair fiddler, sorry. It says, thanks so much for supporting my small business. I hope you love the yarn I picked out for you. I sadly couldn't find a Noro that wasn't super busy. Yeah, you can put in the notes if you like what you know, things that you do like or things that you don't particularly like. So I put in there that I don't really like bulky 6 or 7s, and I don't particularly like super busy. I don't mind it. It's not like my favorite thing to, you know, to have in the world. I think it has its uses. Like, you can put it in between, you do like a solid and then put some, you know, a busier yarn and then solid. But everything else fits your request perfectly. I normally would remove price tags from my yarn before shipping, but it was particularly difficult for that yarn. That's okay. So I just kept them on. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Enjoy. Your yarny friend, Cassie. Okay. Alright, so... Oh, so I still got the yarn. Okay, I thought I didn't get one, period. You always get, from my understanding... Guys, I have fiber on my face. I'm so sorry. I am, like, itching my face. I can't leave my hair alone. Okay. This is partially why I don't wear my hair down that much. Because I don't leave it alone. I just mess with it all day. It is my favorite fidget toy. Okay. I think you always get a Noro yarn with Cassie's boxes, or you often get one. I don't want to misquote. So I still got it. So yay. This is pretty. I like these colors. So this is Noro. Let me flip it over. Noro Nishiki, 100 grams, 240 meters. Oh my gosh, that is driving me absolutely insane. 240 meters, or like 275 yards. 77% cotton bommel, 23% polyamide, color 21. I think that's all the words. Did I say a color name? I don't think I said a color name. I did, color 21. I think that was literally the last thing I said. Good Lord. Okay, so this is, it kind of feels like, it almost feels like microfiber. But it's like browns, lime greens, like Caribbean blue, teal, white. Cool. Thank you. And then there, oh my God, it's so pretty. This is by Queensland. I've never had anything by Queensland, I don't think. There may have been something in the box that came from Bag O' Day that I won. I don't remember. This is color 1014, Victorian Alps, Queensland Collection, Uluru Rainbow. It's 3.52 ounces, 100 grams, 382 yards, 49% cotton, 43% acrylic, 8% polyamide. It is a one weight. This is so pretty. All you purple lovers out there, love that. It just goes through all of the purples. What I love about this is it reminds me of the Shawl in a Ball by Lion Brand, in the sense that it has that white, I don't know, that it has white with all the color. And I love that. I don't know, whatever that is called. I love that. That's pretty, and it's soft. Love that. I don't usually gravitate towards purple, but I really like that. Okay, then I have, there's a lot of purple in this box. I just noticed. Not a complaint, just an observation. This is Araucania. I probably butchered that. This is called, oh man, I can't read it very well. Yumbrel DK. I don't know if that's correct. Goodness gracious. Okay, I'm just gonna move on. Hand painted cotton. 100. There we go. 100% combed cotton. 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 218 yards of a 3 DK. Color name is Pisco Morado, number 18. Don't know if I butchered that. Probably did. So it's just all kinds of purple. There's even like a little area of brown in some areas. So that's cool. Soft. Oh. Interesting. Never had anything like this before. Cool. Okay, so, oh, these are the ones that have the price tags on them, but that's okay. Okay, these are all by Quince and Company, Sparrow, 100% organic linen. Are they all called Sparrow? I don't know if that's a color name or... Nope, okay, that is the yarn line, Sparrow. 168 yards, 50 grams. Made in Italy. I just whacked myself. This is a, I would say lace weight. This is, Yeah. Well, if it's 50 grams, 168 yards, that, I guess that would be a fingering. It definitely seems more like a lace weight, but, so this is color 207 Port. It's a little mini. I don't know how there is 50 grams in that thing. That's, and then there are two of, oh, it's linen. Linen is heavier. That's probably. This one is Venice, number 218. And this pretty baby is Truffle 211. I love this color. Go on. There you go. Go if you're going. This is my favorite color of tan. So these together, that's pretty. That's really, really pretty. I don't know what I could possibly make out of this, so I am open to suggestions. I always look at these like little minis anytime that I'm in an LYS and always wonder what people do with them. And I'm always intrigued by them. Every single time I pick up a box of them or a bundle of them and want to get it, and I don't because I'm like, I have no idea what to do with it. But I always figure if I ever figured it out, I would grab one. I just love them. I'm so, I don't know, amused by them, but I don't know what to do with them. So I'm open to suggestions. Okay. There's 1, 2, 3 of those. And then I think, oh, there's another one of the Queensland Uluru. I don't think it's the same color though. It's not. So this is a blue one. Oh my gosh, this fiber or something is gonna drive me batty. This one is Byron Bay. So this one was Victorian Alps, and this one is Byron Bay. Those are very pretty. You know, all I need is a gray one to go right here in the middle. Yes. Yes. I'm going to have to figure out where these are sold. Surely they have a gray one. Okay. So this is Haydenville DK by Valley Yarns by Webbs. 60% superwash merino wool, 40% acrylic microfiber. Made in Italy, exclusively for Valley Yarns. This is color 21 Mulberry. 50 grams, 136 yards. This is, yeah, this is definitely a DK. And I have one of the Mulberry. One of the teal. Oh, there it is. And one soft grape. Okay. And then the rest is this. This is Plymouth Yarns Encore DK. This is color 355, made in Turkey. 75% acrylic, 25% wool, 50 grams, approximately 150 meters. Yeah. Okay. So I have two of that color, which is like a grape color. And then I have 2 of this like dark denim blue color, which is color number 658. So for $70 plus $13 shipping, I got 4 of the Encore DK. 3 of the Haydenville DK by Valley Yarns. 1 of Arcadia, Arcania, I don't remember. 1 of that. 1 of the Noro. I think it's Nishiki. Yeah, 1 of the Noro Nishiki. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 of the Queensland Uluru. I'm in love. I just want a gray one. Add to it. And 4 of the, I think it was Quince & Company. Quince & Company Sparrow. Genuinely, please give me ideas of what I can do with the 4 of these. There's not a ton of yardage there because it is such a thin weight. So I don't know what I can do with it. Maybe I just add it to other lace weights that I have or something. But man, that's pretty. And I could even start something and I just add to it as I get more lace weight yarns. That could be maybe what I do with it. Yeah, okay, so that was it. So I don't know how much these things normally cost. I've never had anything in this box before. But I can pretty much guarantee you it is most likely, you know, worth that cost. I picked the winter jewel tone options, if that helps anybody. These definitely fit the winter jewel tone option, for sure. So yeah, that was nice. So thank you, Cassie. I will definitely be ordering again. I really enjoyed this. This was really good. So I'm going to leave her information below if you guys want to check her out, and if you like what she does, subscribe. Yeah, I'm really happy with that. So thank you so much. I cannot wait to dig into those. I'm going to find that Uluru, I don't know, the Queensland ones, and see if I can find a gray like words, a gray one to go in the middle of the blue and the purple, because I think that, I mean, I could put the blue and the purple together as it is, but I just think a gray would be perfect right there in the middle. Trying to think if I have any sort of gray that would match it, but I think it would be nice to do it in the same line because it does have a distinct look. So all right, you guys, I love you oodles. I will talk to you later.